We have 2015 Mercedes Benz S550. We're doing a interlock. According to the direct text, the starter wire is under the hood fuse box. It says S4, which is a 7-pin plug, purple wire. There are no S4. The actual number starting at S5, I think. This is S6 right here. Then there's another one here. There's no number on it. Then S7 here.
This is mine.
Right, that's S7. This is S8. This is S9. This green plug here is a 6-pin plug. This is number 3. This is number 1. Number 2. Those are empty. Then number 3, which it looks brown. It may be purple, but it's brownish looking. That is a starter wire. To get to it, you're gonna have to just try this out. There is a clip here on this corner, another one on this corner. Use a flat screwdriver. Pry that open. So you can lift it like this, and you can access this plug. That's how you get to the starter disabled wire. Right, to run the wire in, straight behind this fuse box. Normally on older models, once you have the cover off here, it actually goes straight into the firewall, not this one. There is rubber grommet right here. It's hard to tell, but where the firewall is behind this fuse box, there is a rubber grommet. There is soft one. You can run the wire straight down into the vehicle for either alarm or starter disable.